Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust notification style on a specific app on the iPhone. So, you want to go to the settings and then go to notifications. And once you find the application that you would like to adjust, in my case this is going to be App Store, for example, and as you can see, you have these alerts, so you can turn off the notifications on the lock screen, or in the notification center, or in the banners. So if you deselect, you're not going to get any notifications. They are not going to be displayed. You're just going to get the sound and badge. So you can turn on the notifications that are going to be displayed only on the lock screen, or only with a banner, or only in the notification center. But I suggest you to, if you want to get notifications, you want to keep this all on. If you don't want to, you can choose which one you would like to. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!